Thanks for stopping by Heavy Pedal Garage. If you're here to check out the sparkling Merlot Pearl, you've come to the right place. A few days back, I painted this model. It's actually a model Firebird that my youngest son bought my oldest son for Christmas. It's a diecast. So when I got the UreChem sparkling Merlot Pearl paint in the mail, I couldn't help myself. I stripped this model down and I painted it, and this is the results. I hope you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe, follow along, and see this actual Firebird be built and brought back to life.